Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to add Monzo to Apple Pay wallet. So in order to do this, what you need to do is on iPhone, you need to open your wallet app and then tap on the plus icon in the top right hand corner of the screen. For Apple Watch, you need to open the Apple Watch app on your iPhone and select the Wallets and Apple Pay tab, and then you need to tap on the Add Credit or Debit Card option. On iPad, you need to go to the settings, open Wallet and Apple Pay and select the Add Credit or Debit Card option. On MacBook Pro with Touch ID, you need to go to the System Preferences, select the Wallet and Apple Pay, and then select the Add Card option. So once you are in your iPhone, after clicking on this plus icon, you just have to select the debit or credit card option. There you need to provide the debit and credit card details of Monzo, and then you just have to simply follow further instructions in order to successfully add it in your Apple wallet. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.